Hello, welcome to this video looking at the object mask tool available now in Premiere Pro 2026. You can do it on various different things. For this particular video, we're going to just choose this character over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose this, the object mask tool. So it's a new mask that's been added in addition to these other masks here. So the object mask tool. So it sort of changes things here. You'll notice this sort of thing. If we just expand that, you can see a little bit more. Lasso, rectangle, smooth or sharp. I tried smooth last time. I'm going to try sharp actually this time and see how it goes. And we're going to just do like a lasso tool on it. So let's just try. Not going to do it too accurately, but at least try and get something there. Okay, so that should get me. I mean, that worked pretty well, right? So what we're going to do then is we then need to actually activate it, sort of thing, right? You can see it's not really activated yet. So the way to activate it is we're going to go to the object mask here in effect controls. We just press this play button, track selected mask forward. What we could do is actually start from the beginning, and we'll do track selected mask forward. Maybe should have started from the beginning before, but oh well. You can see that with the jump it actually works pretty well, right? Okay, you then need to put this into the opacity section. Okay, so let's do that. We can actually just do that so we can see the opacity section. We're going to drag it down until you get this line right below opacity. And then you can see that the mask has been created, right? So it's worked out real good actually. So I could, for instance, just bump that up and then put something in the middle, right? So I could put like an image in the middle. So there, then you can just put it on an image, and that really is tracked quite well. So yeah, really good stuff. Thanks for watching.